Deep in the silent fabric of our universe lies a mystery that defies the very laws of physics, the black hole. Imagine a journey from which there is no return, a descent into a region where gravity is so absolute, not even like an escape. As we approach, the surrounding starlight begins to bend and twist, a phenomenon known as gravitational lensing. The glowing accretion disk, a swirling whirlpool of superheated gas and dust, radiates a fierce orange and gold light. Now, we reach the event horizon. Once you cross this invisible boundary, the path forward leads only to the singularity. Looking back, the entire universe behind you seems to compress into a single, blinding point of light. In the reflection of the visor, we see the chaos of space-time collapsing, where time itself loses its meaning. As gravity intensifies, a terrifying process begins: spaghettification. The difference in pull between your head and feet becomes catastrophic. Matter is stretched into thin strands of atoms. We are no longer in a world of 3 dimensions, but a realm of pure distortion. At the very center lies the singularity, a point of infinite density, where our understanding of the universe completely breaks down. Could this lead to a white hole, an exit into another universe, or perhaps a holographic projection of everything we once were? We may never truly know the secrets held within the dark heart of the cosmos. In the end, we are left with only the silence and the flickering light of a distant, lonely star.